All right, we just got the new Renogy 3,000 watt inverter. Just got released this week with the AC pass-through in it, so that if you're camping and you plug in to an outlet, it will go ahead and just pass the power straight through it and into all of your appliances or whatever, instead of drawing from your battery. It does not charge the battery, so you still need to do a charger to trickle charge or whatever while you're camping. But it is the next step. We've been waiting on this so we can start building the electrical on it. I needed to see how big it was and be able to lay it out. So we've got our DC to DC charger. We've got our hub, basically, that will give us readings of everything. Bluetooth to connect it to the phones or to the truck, battery, and then an actual hub that plugs in all the Ethernet cables that everything is connected to. So we've got all our stuff. I've got all the cables and connectors I think that I need, and different relays and such. So let's open this up, see what we got. That's it. Use the tip. Okay, do this side. Get the edge to the corner. Okay, to the corner. All right. Let's see what we got. Pull the box. Directions, we may or may not use those. Some anchors, drywall anchors. So one of the benefits of this system would also be if you wanted to use it on your house with a few batteries, run your sump pump, fridge, freezer type stuff, is that what I was calling it, the transfer switch act part of it, you would use like you would a UPS power backup system. Turns any battery into that, basically. So when your power drops out, it'll kick in, start using the battery, and run off of that. So another good use for it. What's this? What do we got? Okay, so this is the remote control for it. Turn it on and off. Cabling runs on, I believe that's this RJ6. Can't think of which one that is. It's the same as a home phone used to be, back when we had home phones. No. All right. So this thing is a monster, pure sine.
Power part, or is it just like...
The battery technically stores the power. This converts it from DC, direct current, to AC, alternating current. So the same kind of power we have in the house. When you plug in the house, that's all AC, 110, 120 volt. Okay? That's what this does, is this takes, and we plug battery power onto this. So the big battery, big cables go onto that. Power from the house or camping would get wired in here, and then these would go to run our fridge, microwave, little electric cooktop we're going to do, that type of thing. Mom's hair dryer when we go camping. your hair dryer when we go camping. Definitely not my hair dryer. Beard dryer maybe. So, yep, that is all we needed to be able to start laying things out and figure out how we're going to get this thing set up. So, we'll get back to you when we start getting things installed. Stop recording.